Best trick for Kling AI free credits. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the best trick for Kling AI free credits. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Are you frustrated with 0 credits? Even after signing up using temp mail, it still shows 0 credits. Then you've come to the right place. First, let me clarify, this is not a fake trick. I've tried it myself, that's why I'm sharing it with you. The best part is this trick doesn't just work on Kling AI, it also works on other AI tools. So without wasting any time, let's begin with trick number 1. If you sign up using temp mail, it shows 0 credits. The solution is simple. For this, you'll need a VPN because the temp mail trick isn't working in some countries, but it works perfectly in the USA. First, download Halo VPN from the Play Store, open the app, and connect to USA server. Now go to the Kling AI website and sign out. Click on Sign up with email, then select the Sign up option. Here we need an email, so go to the Smail Pro website. Click on Unlock all features, then tap on the plus icon. A new interface will open. Don't change anything there, just press the Generate button. As soon as you click, a new email ID will be created. Copy this email and paste it into Kling AI. Set a password of your choice and click Next. Now a puzzle verification will appear. Solve it. Then Kling AI will send a verification code. To receive it, go back to Smail Pro and wait a bit. You'll soon receive an email from Kling AI. Open it, copy the code, and paste it into Kling AI. After clicking Next, you'll see that you've received 166 free credits. But there's one problem. As soon as Kling AI finds out about this trick, they might block it. But don't worry, we have another solid trick. For this, you'll need a browser. I'll use the Chrome beta browser, which you can easily find on the Play Store. Download it from there. If you already have Chrome beta, clear its data. Then open the browser and click Use without account. Don't paste your Google email here, set a password and click Next. Now repeat the same process that we did in trick 1. Copy the verification code from Smail Pro and paste it into Kling AI. As soon as you click Sign in, you'll again get 166 free credits. But one important thing, when your credits are finished, don't log out. Just clear the data directly, otherwise you won't get new credits. Sometimes even after signing up, it shows 0 credits. Don't panic. Just refresh the page and you'll get the free credits. Then repeat the previous process. Using this trick, you can get unlimited credits. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.